The Army legal team has disclosed that there is no petition against the Nigerian Army before the Lagos State Judicial Panel of Inquiry and Restitution for Victims of SARS and related abuses. Leader of the team, Akin Olukeyinde, said the Nigerian Army is not under any form of trial over the shooting at the Lekki tollgate that allegedly resulted in the death of NSAS protesters. Kehinde, who led the legal team to submit its report to the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Tukur Buratai, at the Army headquarters in Abuja, said no person or group petitioned against the Nigerian Army over the October 20 incident.
At no point in time was the Nigerian Army summoned as a respondent. That means that there was no allegation whatsoever. That will be made clear even in the course of the proceedings. No allegation whatsoever was raised against the Nigerian Army by any organization or anybody before the panel. The duty of the Nigerian Army was to help the panel to throw light on what the Army knew about the incident of at the Lekki toll plaza. It must also be borne in mind that we were able to establish that the Nigerian Army did not, on its own volition, set out to intervene in the crisis at the Lekki toll gate. The Lekki toll gate happened to be the area of a passage to Epe corridors when the Nigerian Army was called upon that, look, this matter is getting out of hand, and we know very well that there are constitutional provisions for the civil authorities to call upon the Nigerian Army to help when the civil police is overwhelmed, as it was common knowledge that was exactly what happened in Lagos.
According to him, the Nigerian Army was never summoned, but was rather invited to throw more light on what happened at the Lekki tollgate. Responding shortly after receiving the report on behalf of the Chief of Army Staff, the Chief of Army Policy and Plans, Lieutenant General Lamidi Adeosun, said the Nigerian Army remains a professional organization that is guided by rules and regulations. He noted that it is one of the obligations of the Nigerian Army to assist civil authorities in line with its rules of engagement when invited.
As provided for by Section 217 of the Federal Constitution of Nigeria, by the Constitution of the Federal Republic, we all know the Nigerian Army is a creation of the Constitution of the Federal Republic, and one of the four major tasks given to the Nigerian Army is to come into the aid of civil authority when called upon to do so. As a professional army, we will not do anything anything to the contrary unless we are called to do so. And when we are called to do so, we perform our roles professionally, strictly according to our rules of engagement and code of conduct and other regulations.
From the Army headquarters, Abuja, Lawrence Audu, TVN News.